Hello. Today I am going to teach you the matrix chapter from the basic up to engineering level. Okay. In the first year of engineering, you will study the first chapter in the unit 1 matrix chapter. Okay. So from a start, if you studied there, then from first chapter of the class 12th, that is the basic of the matrix will be included on that. So if you studied here the matrix chapter, then you will get the whole chapter in the like from your class 12th to engineering level in this chapter only. Okay. In the JEE Mains, I will also focus on the which type of question in the JEE Mains gradually ask. So let's start. First of all, matrix. Matrix means just an arrangement of number. Okay. It means like if you arrange the box in the you arrange the books cloths in the boxes in the same way. If you arrange the number in a boxes of this one, this is the sign of a matrix denotation or the shape of this. Okay, like a small bracket and the big bracket. Then both the sign in denotes the matrix. Now first one, uh, if you arrange numbers, the numbers or the numbers which are included in this box will be known as an element of that matrix. Okay, element denoted as aij. Okay, so first number is like let's say 1 2 and 5 7 8 and 9. Okay, so 1 2 5 and 7 8 9 are the elements of this matrix, and aij where I denotes row and j denotes column. Okay, like if you write 1 2 5 7 8 9, then how many rows you have? You have two rows, this one rows and another one, this one. Okay, and what about column? This one is the your column. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, these are column and these are rows. Okay, so how many rows here? Two rows and three column. So matrix of the orders, like if you know about orders, then the matrix order will be 2 by 3. Okay, like if you denote matrix, then the simple way of denoting matrix is aij and here m cross n. Okay, this is the denotation of matrix. It means if you denote matrix, then this is the you can say like your the main picture. You can say that the trailer of the matrix. If you see the poster like that, so this is the poster of matrix, you can say. Okay, where aij, that means the element inside that bracket, in this bracket, or you can also get this bracket, a small bracket, as a matrix bracket, and m cross n denotes the order of matrix. We always say m by n. If I say m cross n, then take it easily, because if you say order, then it is not cross, it is just by m by n, not m cross n. Okay, so let's start. That is the matrix here. If you denote this matrix, then a11 a12, okay, and a13 a21 a22 a23, and what is the order? Order of the matrix is 2 by 3. Okay, and what is the element in the place of a11? A11 means what? I have already said that I stand for row and J stand for column. Okay, so a11, it means first row and first column. First row and first column. Okay, so first row and first column. So let's say a21. Okay, that means second row and first column. So if you have given a question like that, question, let's say aij equal to I into j by 5. Okay, and you have to get matrix of order, let's say 3 by 2, sorry 3 by, yes, 3 by 2. And what you have to do, that 3 by 2 matrix will look like this one, that means 3 row and 2 column. Okay, so here a11, that is first one, first column. Here a12, that is first row, because this is the first row na, so first row and second column. So okay, second column, because this one is the first column, and this one is the second column. So a12 is first row, okay, this one first row and second column a12, like that. If we are given a23, that means second row and third column. So this is the denotation of element of the matrix. The question is like here given aij equal to I into j by 5, and matrix, you have to make a matrix of 3 by 2 order. What is 3 by 2? Then what we have to do, just take 3 by 2. Then we have also said this is 3 by 2, then first a11. Okay, so a11 means first one, first column, so put I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, that is 1 into 1 by 5, a 1 by 5. So what we write, 1 by 5. And now aij, for a12 matrix we have to put I equal to 1 and j equal to 2 by 5, that is 2 by 5. So we put here 2 by 5. And now only order of the matrix is 3 cross 2, 3 by 2, sorry, 3 by 2. So we have to only make 2 column. Okay, so only a2 up to a12, no a13. So now what we have to make, a21. Okay, so a21 put I equal to 2 and j equal to 1 by 5. So again 2 by 5. In the similar manner, if you put I and value of I and j, you will get the whole matrix, and the order is given, and the denotation of the element, that is the symbol of element, that is aij equal to I into j by 5, definition of that matrix. So let's go another way. And now I just want to say what is the diagonal element of the matrix. Okay, because we are studying elements, so diagonal element of matrix, important one, diagonal element of matrix. I also teach here you that trace of matrix. Trace means the sum of diagonal element. Always remember this. Sum of diagonal element is the trace of that matrix. We will study further this. You will come to know about trace. So just remember this trace. What is trace? Sum of diagonal element. Okay. So what is diagonal element first? That is where I equal to j, that element is diagonal element, implies diagonal element. Diagonal element. Okay, that means here a11, a22, a33, so on up to ann, like that. Okay, that means I equal to j, here 1 equal to 1, 2 equal to 2, 3 equal to 3, n equal to n. So here this type of element we will consider, then that element will be diagonal element, that is I equal to j. You have to only take care of this one. You have check is it I equal to j? If yes, then say that is the diagonal element. And after summation of this, that means summation of aij, where I equal to j is trace. Trace equal to summation of aij, where I equal to j. This is the denotation of trace. Now let's start types of matrix. Okay, type of matrix. Type of matrix means first one, from the starting one is let's say I start with rectangular. I am just writing all the matrix. After that I will explain. Third, fourth is, let's say, horizontal. Third one, fourth one, vertical. fifth one vertical, fifth one rectangular, a square, horizontal, vertical, fifth one a square, horizontal, vertical, and now yeah, column, sixth row matrix. Okay, so what is let's say I am starting with this only, that first one is rectangular, second one a square, third one horizontal, fourth one vertical, fifth one column, and sixth one row. What is a similar thing in this all the matrices is that you have to just take care of the shape of the matrix. That means if you arrange the element, then what the shape that element will be in front of you, that shape is the only definition of this all matrices. Okay, that means first one rectangular, it means if you arrange the number, it will look like a rectangle. A square, it will look like a square. Horizontal, it will look like a horizontal. It will look like a vertical column. All are the same. Okay, just the figure that you will encounter that after seeing in front of you, after arranging the element on that bracket, then the figure that you will encounter, that figure is only the definition of this all matrices. That is rectangular. It means the shape of the matrix will be like rectangle. Okay, and it's also like horizontal. Horizontal means this one is a horizontal. It's also known as horizontal matrix, because you see that this will be look like horizontal. Okay, and this thing will we can call vertical. So this is the in rectangular matrix only you will get to know the horizontal matrix and vertical matrix. Okay, that means if the shape is like horizontal, then the matrix is horizontal matrix. If the shape you will see like vertical, then that matrix is vertical matrix, and both included known as rectangular matrix. The shape is like rectangle na? Okay, it means row not equal to column. Okay, row not equal to column. Okay, in the same way in the rectangle we know that length not equal to breadth, length not equal to breadth. So this in the similar way, row not equal to column, that is the rectangular matrix. Now what is this square matrix? What we have to check? You have to just check row equal to column. Okay, like similar in the length equal to breadth of the square differentiation, length equal to breadth, that is 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, that is row equal to column only. If you arrange the element in that bracket, then you will see the square shape. And now the column matrix having only one column, row matrix having only one row. Okay, so column matrix having only one column, and row matrix having only one row. What is the figure of column matrix? Like this one. Okay, because only one column and many rows. You can take any row number of rows, but you have to just only see that only one column it have. Similar in the row, you have only one, you have to see that only one row. Number of column doesn't matter how many number of column it have. Okay, so column and row. Okay, what is the order of this matrix? You will see that the first we have to write row and by column. So let's say m rows and one column, and here 1 rows and m column, like that. So up to here we have finished the types of matrices, basis type of matrices. Now we understand the important one thing, that is the transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? When we change rows into column of a matrix, then that matrix we will find out that matrix will be known as transpose of that matrix. It means let's an example, because example is better. to understand. So let's say if matrix is A equal to 1 2 5 7 8 9, okay, then A transpose equal to 1 2 5 7 8 9. What we have done? You have just what we have done. I am showing you. Okay, this is the first column of our matrix A. Then what we have done, that column will take the position of rows, first row of A transpose. Second column take the position of second row of A transpose. And if you, let's say with another color, green, so this row, okay, this row come in the column of A transpose, first row, first column of A transpose. So there clearly you will see that the interchange of row into column of another one. Okay, what about the order? And here the order of this matrix is what? Number of rows, first of all number of rows 2 rows, then number of column, that is 2 by 3, then number of rows 3, number of column, okay, number of column 3 rows, okay, and number of column 2, so 3 by 2. What happened? Order reverses 2 into 3 by 2, okay. So transpose, I just want to say you that multiplication or addition, okay, let's say I am giving you 3 properties of matrix, that is multiplication. No, let's first start from first one. Let's finish. You just remember this transpose, because after that the properties of matrix, after that I will teach you the symmetric and anti-symmetric matrix. Again, the type of matrix, anti-symmetric and symmetric, okay. Anti is also known as skew symmetric. So let's first property as